The most popular and cheapest host nowadays is Hosting. They provide good hosting plans and the cheapest plans, including a free domain. My affiliate link is given in the description. You just need to click on that link and you will be redirected to this offer. When you will purchase hosting via my link, I will get some commission. So please use my affiliate link to buy a hosting plan. Let's get started. Click on the Claim Deal button. Now they have 3 plans: Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup. Premium plan features include standard performance, weekly backup, free domain and SSL 100 GB of storage, unlimited bandwidth, free email, and 100 website creations. $7.99 per month when you renew it. Business plan features include standard 5x performance, daily backup, free domain and SSL 200 GB of storage, free CDN, unlimited bandwidth, free email, and 100 website creations. $8.99 per month when you renew it. Cloud Startup plan features include a maximum of up to 10x performance, daily backup, free domain, and SSL 200 GB of storage, unlimited bandwidth, free email, free CDN dedicated IP address, and 300 website creations. $19.99 per month when you renew it. We get started with the premium package. Click on the Add to Cart button. Now you can choose period. If you choose 1 month, it will charge $11.99 per month and $11.99 per month when you renew it. If you choose 12 months plan, it will charge $2.99 per month when you renew it. If you choose 24 months plan, it will charge $2.79 per month and $8.99 per month when you renew it. If you choose 48 months plan, it will charge $2.49 per month and $7.99 per month when you renew it. You can choose any plan you can afford. Here, for creating your account, need to enter your email and password. You can enter any password. In the select payment method, for example, credit card. Enter your details: your name, phone number, country, and full address. Enter your payment method details here and click on the Submit Secure Payment button. It will take a few minutes or seconds to process.
After purchasing a hosting plan, you will see the Claim a Free Domain option. You can register a claim domain. Just click on Free Domain. Here you also select an extension for your domain, for example, .com, .net, and .shop. We will go with the .com extension. Enter your domain name or business name and check availability. Here you can see domain price is $15, but for us now it's free. Just click on Claim Domain button. It will take few minutes to process domain for us. Click on Finish Registration.
We have claimed a free domain. Just click on Skip. I don't need a website. Now we go back to Hosting or Penal. Here you can see our domain and purchase premium hosting package are there. We need to further set up it. Click on Setup. Click on Start Now. Now select the Create a New Website option. Here you need to select WordPress option. Here you need to enter login details for your WordPress. You can put any email and a strong password that you can use for your WordPress login later. Keep in mind this is just WordPress login details, not hosting or hosting details. Click on the Continue button. Click on Skip. I will manage the plugins later. Now click Skip. I don't need a template. Now in Choose Domain option, select your domain that we recently claimed. Click on Finish Setup. WordPress has been installed successfully and hosting has been managed. To access the control panel of your hosting account, you can click on the Manage Site button. To access the WordPress dashboard, click on Admin Panel button. It will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard and you can start your website editing. This is a hosting control panel where you can manage your host. This is a WordPress dashboard where you can start designing your website.